Alright, hey guys, it's Dwayne here. I'm standing underneath the Ambassador Bridge. I have a wide angle camera shot here. Now I'm going to go to 1 times. This is 0.6. This is 1 times view. Here's a 3 times view. Here's a 10 times view. Now I might be able to go up to 20 times view. I think there's a falcon under the B of bridge. There's a camera, but to the left, I believe that's a falcon. Now this is 20 times view. I can go to 30 and 100 in camera mode. So I'm going to try 30 and then 100, and I'll share with you.